How to backup, migrate, and restore your WordPress website. Search this plugin, Backup Migration. Install this one and activate. Click on Allow and Continue. Now guys, here you will see this dashboard. Welcome to Backup and Migration. First thing you have to do, click on Create Backup Now. Now wait for few minutes. Now you will see backup successful. Your backup is now accessible at here. Copy and paste anywhere. So your all backup will be ready in zip format. You can share this backup and you can restore anywhere in any website. To restore, click here, manage and restore backup. Here you will see your backup. Select it, then click on restore. Restore this backup on this site, and also you can backup and you can transfer, migrate this data to another domain. So this is the easy to use guys plugin to backup, migrate and restore. Thanks for watching and share your experience with this plugin. Hopefully guys you like this video. Show your love by subscribing my channel.